Hello all, thanks for watching Web Techies and thanks for subscribing to Web Techies. If not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for immediate notification. In this video, we will teach you how to use JavaScript condition statements to make decision-making code by using JavaScript condition statement. Conditional statements execute a specific action based on the results of an outcome of true or false, if and else. Like many other programming languages, JavaScript also supports conditional statements to perform different actions based on different conditions. Our minds will always think of two different options when reaching the final destination, whether to choose this road or the other road. In programming languages, this will happen very frequently. For this kind of control, we use if and else. For example, when we are logging into any web application, we can see the username and password. If the password and username are correct, then it will allow access to the page. If it fails, then it will throw an error. If we want to choose between two alternatives, we use the if-else statement. If Boolean expression evaluates to true, then statement 1 is executed. If Boolean expression evaluates to false, then statement 2 is executed. The if. How to write if condition.
We are going to see the first if condition example. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to put a comments. So here I'm going to set the balance for the price in the bank account and the price of the item. So here I'm going to use var balance equal to 500. I'm going to put as bank balance and var fruit cost is 150. So we have to put the semicolon, that is mandatory. And now I'm going to do the condition, if condition checkings. So here I'm going to check if there are enough funds to purchase the item. So now I'm going to type if open bracket close bracket. Inside the bracket I'm going to have fruit. Let me have it as fruits. So fruits equals to bank balance. Now this is a condition which we are putting it there, and inside the condition, so what we need output is document dot write. It will write in the window. So I'm putting the quotes within quotes. You have enough money to purchase the item. So here you can see the output in the right side. So the condition pass and we have enough money to purchase the fruits. So now the next step is I'm going to use else condition here. So put a space for the else to check if suppose my see I was purchasing the fruit for almost 600 rupees. So I need to check whether my bank balance is available for that, or if I need to add any money. So for that one, I'm just typing just only else condition here, and inside the else condition, I'm going to type it as document dot write inside the within quotes. You don't have not having enough money in the bank balance. Please add some more money to purchase the item. So now if you see that output is not coming because our fruit value is like 150 rupees, it's less than 500. So we have the enough money to purchase. Now I'm going to change this to 650. We can see the output. See, not having the enough money in the bank balance. Please add more money. Please add more money to purchase the item.
Nested if condition. If statement inside another if statement is called JavaScript nested if statement. Nesting of conditional statements can be done up to any number of levels as required as per the use case while coding. Below is the syntax for nested if condition.
We are going to see the nested if condition in JavaScript. So I already have my code here. So I'm just going to place and I'll explain line by line. So here I'm checking the, if a minor age, the people cannot work. If age between 18 to 60, the person is eligible to work and they can fill up the detail. And the last one is the age is above 60 is not eligible as per the government rule and they can collect the pension. That is the required task. So here if you see the first outside if condition, we are checking whether if the age is less than 18. So if it is less than 18 means the output will show us you are minor, not eligible to work. So if you see here, I am typing the age as 15 and you can see the output as you are minor and not eligible to work because the condition met here itself and it executes and we are getting the output here. Now the age is like 21, right? So in that case, what will happen is the second condition, the first condition got failed and you get inside to the else condition. Inside this else condition, we have the another if condition where we have put a condition like greater than or equal to 18 and less than or equal to 60. So this is the condition. So where this condition, our variable which we set initially is 21. Where initially we set as 18, that is not met, but now we have put a value as 21, so it is met inside. So the message we ask is you are eligible and please fill in your details. Now let's say for suppose the person age is 65, we can see you are too old to work as per government rules, please collect the pension. That is because the condition failed here and it come inside and inside also this condition got failed and finally it come to the else part and here the condition met and the output came. So this is the nested if else condition.